Welcome to Bike Review Pro, where we bring you in-depth reviews of the most iconic motorcycles. Today, we are talking about a true legend on two wheels, the Royal Enfield Bullet 500. Known for its classic design, powerful thump, and unmatched road presence, this bike has won the hearts of enthusiasts worldwide. Design and build quality. The Bullet 500 stays true to its vintage roots, featuring a hand-painted pinstripe, chrome detailing, and a timeless fuel tank design. With its robust steel body and sturdy frame, it exudes durability. The comfortable, upright seating position and wide handlebars ensure a commanding ride, perfect for both city commutes and long highway journeys. Engine and performance. At its heart, the Bullet 500 houses a 499 cubic centimeters single-cylinder, air-cooled engine, delivering 27.2 brake horsepower and 41.3 Newton-meters of torque. The signature thump of the engine is what makes this bike so special. The fuel injection system ensures smooth power delivery, making it a reliable companion for riders who love a laid-back, torquey ride. Ride and handling. With its 19-inch spoke wheels and telescopic front forks, the Bullet 500 offers a stable and comfortable ride. The front disc and rear drum brake setup provide decent stopping power. While the bike is heavy, the low-end torque makes it easy to maneuver in city traffic. However, it truly shines on open roads where the engine effortlessly cruises at high speeds. Fuel efficiency and maintenance. Despite its large engine, the Bullet 500 delivers a mileage of around 30 to 35 km/h, depending on riding conditions. Maintenance is relatively simple, but regular servicing is essential to keep it running smoothly. The bike's old-school mechanicals make it easy to repair, but parts availability can sometimes be a challenge in certain regions. Final verdict. The Royal Enfield Bullet 500 is more than just a motorcycle, it's an emotion. It's perfect for those who appreciate vintage charm and a relaxed riding experience. While it may not be the most advanced bike on the market, its character, sound, and heritage make it a timeless classic. That's it for today's review. If you love legendary bikes like this, don't forget to subscribe to Bike Review Pro for more in-depth reviews. Ride safe, and we'll see you in the next video.